Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Jason and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So in this video, we're going to be talking about CCIV, the SPAC, Churchill Capital, that is going to be taking Lucid Motors public. Now, Lucid Motors is an electric vehicle company. Some people call them the Tesla killer. They have some other names as well. Now, I don't 100% agree with that or don't really agree with that at all, but they are another EV stock out there. And they do have quite a bit of hype, and a lot of people have been very excited to invest into them. And why all of a sudden, when the agreement has been made to take them public, why is this SPAC dropping down so much? Why is CCV dropping so much? So I want to address that in this video. So as we get into it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor and please be sure to smash, destroy, and annihilate that like button, because that helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and it helps spread my videos to more people that might find them interesting. Also subscribe if you have not already, and learn about getting your free stocks over at Webull when you open a new account. The link is in the description for that. And if you guys want to help out this channel, I do have a Patreon with a private Discord. Link is in the description, and thank you to all the Patreons. Now let's get to it. So this is CCIV stock right now. As you can see, this stock has just taken a plunge here. Today, filming this on February 23rd, the stock closed down 38%. So that's a big drop from where this stock was from its highs. Now, if you just look at the range from where this has traded over this last couple months, it's been between $9.60 and $64.86. So there's been a huge drop. I mean, half of where this stock was on its highs is gone, and this comes basically just right after the agreement was made for the merger. Now it says right here, I don't know if you can see this too well, Churchill Capital shares are trading lower after the company and Lucid Motors announced they have entered into a definitive merger agreement. Now, a lot of people don't really understand, why would they drop so much on good news? I would have thought when this merger was to be announced that it was going to explode. And there's a bit behind that, why this stock is dropping so much. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is how much is Lucid Motors actually worth? Now, they released a press release that just came out on the February 22nd. This is on Lucid Motors Investor Relation here. And it announces that they're going to be going public with Churchill Capital. But the main thing that we really need to understand is the actual transaction itself and what does it mean. So the transaction values Lucid at an initial pro forma equity value of approximately $24 billion at the PIPE offer price of $15 per share, and will provide Lucid with approximately $4.4 billion in cash, assuming no existing CCIV shares are redeemed for cash at closing. Well, if you were to just do the math here real quick, 24 billion divided by 15 gives you 1.6 billion shares of Lucid Motors available at the merger here. So we got to think about, what is Lucid Motors actually worth? Now, this is saying that they're worth $24 billion. That's what Lucid Motors is worth at this deal. But if CCIV is at a price of $35, then that would mean that Lucid Motors would be valued at $56 billion. And is Lucid worth $56 billion? So I don't think Lucid is valued at $56 billion. I think that's even too much. So I think the price of $35 a share is still too expensive for Lucid. Now, if we look at NIO, NIO has a market cap of $76.6 billion. Now, their stock has been coming down here recently. There's been a good sell-off going on with NIO, and so NIO is worth $76.6 billion, and we know NIO has been selling more and more vehicles. They have been expanding their capabilities of producing more vehicles. But what has Lucid Motors really done as far as expanding to produce more vehicles? Now, we know that they have partnerships and things like that in the works, but what we really need to take it at is looking at it, what is this company's technology that we don't know 100% of how good it is? That basically everything we have right now that we know is just information that is provided to us. It's kind of hard to really base what a company is worth at these stages, so we're all just assuming. Now, if you're somebody that is looking to invest into Lucid Motors and buy the dip right now that's going on with CCIV, I'm not even saying that that's a bad idea, because a stock is worth pretty much whatever somebody is willing to pay for. If people are willing to pay for CCIV right now at $35, then you can say, hey, it's worth that amount, because that's what basically drives the whole stock market in general, is whatever people are willing to pay for a stock. And I think that there definitely could be some great things coming from Lucid Motors in the future, and that stock could just keep going up and up and up, and great things could happen in the future, and it could be like the next Tesla. Anything really is possible. Everything just has to be waited to be seen of what is going to be happening with it. Now, I'm definitely not one to try to hype this up right now, because people are losing money, people are worried about it, and that's always my concern about that kind of thing. But as far as why did this stock go up so much, was that people were kind of just really hyping up this stock. They were having fun with it. They were purposely driving up this stock just to try to make money off of it. When the announcement came out that they were going to be merging, it worked in a different way. The stock went down because people sold off. It was confirmed, and when you know that the confirmed value of a company, of what it's worth, a lot of these people just hopped out and they took their money and ran, because they probably bought into it at $15 a share. Who knows where they bought into it at? And that's what they did. And they made money, and they took it and they ran. And great, because pretty much investing in general is to make money. And for everybody that made money on it, then that's good. You did pretty much the whole point of investing. And for the people that are looking to hold on to this for the long term, and they want to take this through when the merger is finalized and Lucid is a public company, and see where the value of Lucid goes from there, then you really have nothing to really worry about, because you still haven't even given Lucid a chance yet to see what they're capable of doing. So if your strategy is to just hold the stock for the long term, then really don't really stress too much about why the stock is dropping so much. Just think about, for the purpose that you invested into this stock in general, and just hold on to it and complete your plan that you had set originally. Anyways, I just wanted to make this video and just put this out there, because I know a lot of people are wondering about what is going on with CCIV, and I just hope that kind of shines some light on that situation. So anyways, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in the next video coming very soon.